How to use Reddit search effectively. To use the Reddit search effectively, you must use the advanced search operators and syntax rules directly inside the search bar. First things first, go ahead and launch the Reddit application on your device. Tap on the search bar at the top. Once you tap on this, what you can do is if you are trying to search inside a single community, you simply have to type subreddit first of all. Now once you type this semicolon. From here, you can now simply type cooking steak or the title of the post. Once you do this, all you have to do is go ahead and search and you will find the exact post within that exact subreddit. All you have to do is go ahead and tap on this results. From here, you can view the details. Now, you can also search by specific user by simply typing in the username instead of the subreddit option over here. And what you can also do is simply type in the title over here and then type in the post title over here. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.